Guys, today we're going fishing at Lake Stafford, and today's vlog is the first of many this summer. Oh god, sorry about the quality of the sound. Let's embrace this quality together. Ready, guys? And there's the quality of the sound today, guys. My man bun looks like it's on crack, and let's see you guys when we get to Lake Stafford or when we get picked up. See you guys in the next clip.
There we are. There's the van.
Look at it. It's raccoon. The fuck is... What?
One. The smallest pike in the world. But I caught one. See? I did it. I finally caught one after 3 years of sitting over here because of these gulls.
He's not very big, but he's a fish.
Yep.
Now you go home and have supper.
No, we're going to release them.
Can I release him?
No, you don't release pike.
You do?
No, you don't. Just yeet him and then finish. He's pretty big. I'm going to get the pic. I'm going to get Daniel to record me with him and record me releasing him and get my picture, okay? Yep. Make sure to go vertical for a second. Take the picture. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to release him.
Wait, don't you want to measure him?
No. Oh, I just got fucking shreked by the fucking gill teeth. Oh, that hurt. It's gonna cut me for sure.
I don't want to drop your phone, so I'll be super careful, and I'm holding this phone extra tight. Barn, stop pushing me into the water, goddammit. This is a big pike.
This fish won't go.
He'll go. Eventually.
Eventually.
One eternity later.
Edit the
Oh, that's what the fuck's in his stomach. That's a crayfish. That's a
crayfish?
That's a crayfish. Wait, no, that's his fucking fin.
Was it a lure?
I feel lots of bait fish in there, man.
So there's hooks in there?
Bait fish.
Which means minnows?
Yes.
Ooh, open up.
No, it's a nice fish.
He's a good fish. He could turn into a monster here.
Yeah, this is a monster here, man. Ready to go, bud? There he goes. He waves you, bud.
Oh, he turned sideways. I don't know if that's good.
He turned sideways. He's going that way.
No, I mean like he turned like that.
He should be okay. He must hit the ground. Sorry, you guys might have just went for a retard for a second, but I'm sorry about that. And I may have started recording upside down, but as the next fish, don't forget my rod. On to the next clip with the next fish.
Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Peace.